Alright, there we go. Just wanted to make sure that my audio wasn't going weird. Probably is now, but like. Die, 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 die! God damn it. I won't just, like... Oh, no, she fucking died. Hopefully she's the last one we have to fight. I am gonna kill you. What does it look like I'm doing? Does it look like I'm not doing that? Oh, I missed that completely, I think. Oh, nope. Alrighty. Oh, we got it. Bulbasaur. Let's go. We got another fruit done. Another fruit done. Alright, let's go. Time to test it. Alrighty, let's go down. Blizzard. Alright, time for my Blizzard domain! Woo! Oh, that's actually a big area. Whoa, that's a big area. And then I combined it with this. And then if they don't get in that, I can do that on them. And hit them with this. Yo, this is actually a nice combo. I gotta think some combos up. I'll think up some combos, but I'll see you next time. Next video. Okay, I know it was a really short video, but like, I lost the file to the full like hour long and 30 minutes or whatever video was, because for some reason it wasn't in my captures. So if I do end up finding it, I'll I'll delete this video and then redo the entire thing. I'm completely sorry. So yeah.